Welcome back to Quick Thai Learn. In this part 3 of our How to Say Yes and No in Thai series, we're going to talk about something that sounds simple, but isn't. But what about when someone asks, "Have you eaten yet?" or "Have you done it already?" In Thai, these types of questions are answered a little differently, and that's what we're learning in this video. So, let's get into it. Imagine a Thai friend asks you,
กินข้าวหรือยัง กินข้าวหรือยัง กินข้าวหรือยัง
means, "Have you eaten yet?" Let's break it down.
กิน กิน
To eat.
ข้าว ข้าว
Rice or meal.
หรือยัง หรือยัง
Or not yet. This is a very common question in Thai. In fact, Thai people often use it just like a greeting. Instead of saying, "How are you?" they ask if you've eaten. So, how do you say yes? You don't say.
ใช่
Here, you say.
กินแล้ว กินแล้ว
That means, "I've eaten already." Let's break it down.
กิน
To eat.
แล้ว แล้ว
Already. So,
กินแล้ว
eaten already. If you want to learn more about.
แล้ว
We have a full video just about that word. You'll see it pop up here as a card, and you can also find the link in the video description. Let's look at another everyday example. Someone asks you,
คุณแปรงฟันหรือยัง คุณแปรงฟันหรือยัง คุณแปรงฟันหรือยัง
meaning, "Have you brushed your teeth yet?" Let's break it down.
คุณ คุณ
You
แปรงฟัน แปรงฟัน
brush teeth.
หรือยัง หรือยัง
Or not yet. Now, how do you say yes to that? You answer.
แปรงฟันแล้ว แปรงฟันแล้ว
Which means, brushed already. Simple and natural. Now what if the answer is no? You don't say.
ไม่ใช่
Instead, you say.
ยัง ยัง
Means not yet. That's it. One word. And for politeness, you can add.
ยังครับ
For male, and
ยังค่ะ
for female. Here's another useful example.
พอแล้ว หรือยัง
Or,
พอหรือยัง พอหรือยัง
means, "Is that enough?" Now, let's look at two ways to answer. First, if it is enough, you can say.
พอแล้ว พอแล้ว
Or if it's not enough, you can say.
ยังไม่พอ ยังไม่พอ
Which means, not yet. It's not enough. This is another case where Thai doesn't use yes or no directly. Instead, the meaning is understood through
แล้ว
and.
ยัง
Thai speakers just tell you if they did the thing or not. That's why it sounds natural. It also shows how important food is in Thai culture. Asking, "Have you eaten?" is a way of showing care. Let's look at how to say no in a way that's kind, polite, and fits Thai culture. Sometimes, just saying,
ไม่
meaning not, can be a bit too direct, especially when someone offers you something. In Thai,
ไม่
usually needs a verb after it. So saying just
ไม่
by itself, that's actually rare, and it can sound a little abrupt. Let's say someone asks you,
เข้าใจไหม เข้าใจไหม
it means, "Do you understand?" You shouldn't just say.
ไม่
That's too short and too strong. Instead, say,
ไม่เข้าใจ
"I don't understand." Or better,
ไม่เข้าใจค่ะ
ไม่เข้าใจครับ
for politeness. That sounds much more natural and respectful. Now, let's look at a polite way to say no.
ไม่เอา ไม่เอา
It literally means, "Don't want." This is a soft way to say no thank you, especially when someone offers you food, gifts, or help. For example, someone asks,
เอาอีกไหม เอาอีกไหม
Want more? You smile and reply,
ไม่เอาค่ะ ไม่เอาค่ะ
if you're female. Or,
ไม่เอาครับ ไม่เอาครับ
if you're male, that means, no thanks, I don't want more. Short, polite, and friendly. So now you know how to say,
ไม่เอา
to gently say, no, thanks. But what if someone offers help or invites you out, and you want to say no even more politely? That's where another beautiful Thai phrase comes in.
ไม่เป็นไร ไม่เป็นไร
Means it's okay or never mind. Thais often use this as a polite refusal, meaning no worries, I'm okay. If someone offers help or invites you and you want to decline politely,
ไม่เป็นไรครับ
no, it's all right, no need. This sounds kinder than a blunt no. You can think of it as no problem, it's fine, which in context means no, thank you. But Thai people have even more subtle ways to politely turn something down. Instead of saying a direct no, they often suggest another time, soften their tone, or give a gentle maybe, all to avoid hurting someone's feelings. Let's look at a few of these polite tools.
ดีกว่า ดีกว่า
This means would be better. You'll often hear,
ไว้คราวหน้าดีกว่า ไว้คราวหน้าดีกว่า
better next time. This phrase is often used to politely put something off, essentially a no for now. Let's do next time instead. If friends invite you and you can't go, you might say this with a smile. It softens the refusal by suggesting an alternative or a later time. Thai people often soften a sentence by adding,
นะ นะ
it makes your tone more gentle and friendly. Thai yes and no might feel like a puzzle at first, but with practice you'll get the hang of it. The key is paying attention to the question structure and responding with the appropriate Thai words, plus a smile. Remember, Thai people will understand you even if you slip up, but using these native-like responses will impress them and make your conversations flow smoothly. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and you're well on your way to speaking Thai more naturally now. Keep practicing, and if you make mistakes, it's all part of learning. Good luck, and see you in the next lesson.